Hi everybody, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet Stroker engine, 450 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1966 Chevy Stepside with the Mutha thumper roller cam in there. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We start with the late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal, brass freeze plugs installed, engine block painted black, proper oil pan for the 66 Chevy Stepside, double roller timing chain, brand new balancer, new timing cover, Mutha thumper roller cam in there, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. These real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there, all the wire looms all set in place. This real nice 383 stroker valve covers. The billet air cleaner with a washable filter, thermostat housings on there, thermostats in place, 2 extra ports there for any sensors if needed for coolant, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, quick fuel carburetor, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, real important on the 66 Chevy for firewall clearance. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the 383 Chevy, proper tooth count and balance, proper one for the TH350 Trans customer has. You install the high torque mini starter on there, chrome dipstick and tube, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy vacuum hookups, electric choke wires on there, all the chrome fuel lines on there, heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps, gas filter, high flow fuel pump installed. It's real nice 8-rib serpentine Raptor pulley kit. We have the AC compressor on there, heavy duty self-tensioning belt tensioner all set in place, high flow reverse rotation aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. We have the GM power steering pump, Saginaw pump on there. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to see a video of your engine running in a stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. I'm going to set the ignition timing for you, adjust the idle mixture screws on the carburetor. It'll be completely tuned in, ready to go, right out of the crate. So there you have it again, our 383 Chevy Stroker, 450 horsepower, complete turnkey drop-in ready package. Thanks for watching.